Welcome to my channel. My name is Patisa Nombaguse. I'm the career coach. I work with people who wants to grow their career, grow themselves as well, and to maybe build their businesses as well. If you are a boss, if this is you, you're a boss, and you struggle with your employees, maybe they're not pulling their socks, or maybe things are not working well, and you really start to blame people. You start to blame people. So you use blame a lot, and blame causes contention. And I'm not saying that somebody must not take the fall or somebody must not be held accountable, but I want you to also be careful about blaming too much, because blame is looking at the past, is saying what happened, but you are there, you've got a project to deliver. Focus on solutions. What are the solutions that are important for me to get on with this project? Because timelines are also important to you. What is it that you need to do to move forward? So don't stay in the blame too much. So that's the advice that I want to give you to. You've just started managing people and you're finding it difficult. It's very hard. It's not easy. I want you to also consult me so that we can work on this plan, because maybe this is the area where you sit in. Maybe you are the person who hold grudges, and you do not know how to forgive. You do not know how to let go. You just stay in that blame. You want that person to pay, and you cause the whole team not to be happy to work with you, because you are not happy. Because remember, you are the leader, and whatever that you do, whatever action that you do, it's going to spill over to your team. So be very careful about a lot of staying in the blaming stage. Blaming when something happened, when something went wrong, when you stay blaming people and say, no, it's you. Yes, you can go back after the project and say, look, maybe you shouldn't have done it like this. Or maybe talk about it during the project. Be as open about it. But remember to move forward as well, because you have an assignment that you need to do. You have people that are under you. Don't make them feel that they've done the biggest mistake or biggest sin ever. And be careful about holding on to discouragement or holding on to these blame games. They're not going to move you forward. It's a tip that I want to give you. And please, if you are a new manager, you've been a specialist all your life, and these are the areas that you struggle with in terms of inspiring people, leading people, making people follow your lead. It's very important that you come see a coach, you come see me, so that we assist you to have those tools for you. And you must know that it starts with you as well. How do you lead yourself? Because you need to self-lead before you go lead others in that way. You can do them simultaneously, working on yourself as you work with these people that you've been assigned to lead. It's an important role. So I want you to be conscious. I want you to be intentional about what is it that you want to model with these people that are under you. What is it that you want them to do, and what is it that you want to inspire them to do as well? Because you're in a position of leadership, you have the position and the title to inspire people to follow you. But are you going to do it by force, by fire? You're going to do it with fear. You're making them feel like they must tiptoe around you. They must be scared of you. Yeah, so leadership is not so easy, but you can get help. You can find help. You can get assistance. We can look at how you lead. We can modify. We can make it work for you. And it's important that you must know that you're not supposed to do it alone. But there are people, are coaches who are like me, who want to assist you. So happy leading. I will see you again on my next video when we talk more about your career, your personal development, and your well-being as well. So cheers for now, and do not forget to subscribe and to also like the live and to follow and to comment as well. How are you doing with being a first-time manager? How is that working for you? What are your key challenges? What are the things that you need to work on so that you can contact me? You check the link below so that we can do this.